Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on using the Animation Recorder Unity plugin. In this video, I'll show you how to capture character movements, modify them, and create new animations based on your changes. First, open a sample scene. Next, open the Animation Recorder window by navigating to Window, Animation, Animation Recorder. Start by specifying the animator component of the character model you want to work with. Once you've done that, you can run the animator to capture the character's movements. After the animation stops, you'll be able to play back the captured movements and make any necessary adjustments. You can navigate through the animation frames and modify the character's bones directly in the scene view for specific frames. A useful feature is the ability to set the position and rotation of bones for a range of frames. Select the required transforms, define the frame range, and click the Apply Frame to Range button. If you don't like a particular frame, you can delete it. Another powerful feature is the interpolation of transforms between frames. To do this, select a frame, adjust the transforms, and, if necessary, lock them to avoid accidentally losing your selection. First, we'll apply our changes to frames 15 through 40. After that, we can interpolate between frame 0 and frame 15. You can repeat these steps as needed to further modify transforms and interpolate frames. Now, let's see the result. You can save your modified animation as an internal animation data asset, which you can reload at any time. It's also possible to create a generic animation clip. Let's try it. Create an animator controller, add the saved animation to it, and disable the avatar in the animator component since we'll be using a generic animation. It works perfectly. To continue working on the animation, simply reload the saved animation data asset. If you're using the Pro version of the Animation Recorder plugin, you can export the animation as an FBX file and convert it to a humanoid animation type. Select the saved FBX file, change the animation type to humanoid, and copy the avatar definition from your character model. Then, create another animator controller and assign the animation from the FBX. Use this controller with your model. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or suggestions.